So this is my 250 4-stroke hybrid. It's got a 2020 Honda CRF250R engine. Put in a pretty much stock LTR chassis. As you can see, I make the lower engine mounts cradle style with the Amson Racing front mounts, and one of the head stays had to modify it just a little bit. That is the mounts for his 450R CRF kit. Trying out a 14 to 40 combo for the sprockets. Did trim the swing arm in the pivot area a little bit to pull the engine a bit towards this way. Also used a RMC 450 front sprocket. It builds out a little more, so now the alignment from front to rear is pretty much perfect, spot on. Using the LTR tank and fuel pressure regulator housing, stock LTR, I pulled out the LTR regulator and put in the CRF one, so we have the correct pressure, and also using the LTR pump, fuel pump. Had to relocate it to the front there because of the dual exhaust here. It normally sits here on the frame, so that had to be removed, and I made new fuel lines and everything. I also made a bracket for some of the electronics, painted that, and the lower mounts same color as the stock frame. Still stock rear shock on here. Did of course some small modifications to the exhaust to make it fit. Made new mounts so it fits to, could fit it to the rear subframe. And yeah, looking forward to do some more track testing. There will probably be some more updates to this later. I got aftermarket suspension laying around here, but I'm just not building this to the tilt right now because my son isn't racing anymore, and if he was, he would be on a 450, so this was just more like a fun project for me. I just wanted to build one. I can even play with it a little bit myself, but it will probably eventually be sold. I got other colors plastic that I can use on it as well, but we'll see. I put on new chain guides and everything here. Might be better in red, but I didn't have any complete sets of red left. And got the CFM airbox for the LTR. That works pretty good. Uses the 250R 2-stroke air filters. That's a bit bigger than your stock and even the Pro design. It's more like the Walsh, the big air filter from Walsh. Same size, I believe. Let's see if she starts. It's cold, I think it's in gear. Let's see. golden also. There we go. I will try to speed up a ride video